Looks nice and cozy. What kind of idiot dies on this hike?
Apparently 13 people.
The lucky 13.
I bet it's people who try to do dumb shit like hang out the side.
You're probably right.
Or if it's like icy or I don't
icy,
know,
yeah.
I wonder.
Weather.
Yeah, last time I came it was February. Like last year, February, before the pandemic. And they were like, there's a lot of ice on the trail. I was like, I don't know if I want to do it. I was like, I don't want to go sliding off the side.
That's probably a good call.
This is much better.
Yes. Alright, should we start heading out?
Hey, go for it.
Uh-huh.
Hello? No cliff jumping. No cliff jumping. Don't do that.
All right, 3, 2, 1, jump!
Longer than I thought it was.
Well, especially in that one canyon, they were like, okay, there's threatened owls in this area. And I was like, okay, I'll be quiet. I don't want to threaten the owls. I know, right?
We were not quiet.
The loudest thing that I was
You guys were very loud. You were talking about movies. dziewczynki nie poszli?
Thanks.
No problem.
Thank you.
No problem.
How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Love it. Trying to unlock your chocolate right there.
Hi.
Y'all got this. You got this. No, you trust me, it's worth it. It's worth it.
No, not quite. That's what we thought too, I think, right? When we got to this point, we were like, oh, I think.
Yeah, and then you look up and you're like, oh.
And there's all those people.
Yeah, you look and you're like, oh, and then you see the mountain part
Yeah.
behind it, and you go, oh, that's it.
Yeah.
Ew.
That's kind of the part my friend saw, because she saw the first mound, and she went, oh, that's not that far, and then she saw the one behind it,
Yeah.
and she was like, she thought all the little people on it were trees. I was like, no, there's people. She goes, oh, I'm not doing that.
So is she like right down over here?
Yeah, she should be right over here, where on the lookout part.
Excuse me.
You want to go? You can do it.
You got this.
Nice.
On the wrinkles.
On the wrinkles.
Do you think Walter's Wrinkles was named by the Native Americans?
Walter's Wrinkles.
I don't think Walter's. Like,
I don't know. No, it might be. I can't remember
I
now.
heard it was the Wiggles.
All right, I'll
It sounds much nicer.
It is the Wiggles.
Okay. Walter's Wrinkles.
God damn. Well, they kind of look like wrinkles.
They do kind of look like Wiggles, but I like Wiggles. It makes them sound a lot less threatening.
Wiggles and wrinkles.
Yeah.
Either way, I'm unthreatened. What do we think?
Yeah,
Okay.
the chain.
Do we let them?
No, go, go, go. Catch up with that big group.
Okay.
Maybe. I don't know.
Seems like they're not full flow.
Natural flow.
Yeah. So I'd say.
Jam. We're jammed.
Jamming.
We're jamming.
want to try to
Just
come
yeah,
up?
we'll pass them and then climb up.
Sorry.
We're almost there.
Almost there. Think about it. This is gonna be once we get past this part. This is the easy part going.
Yes.
See. All right, is it a climber? It kind of looks like a climber. It kind of looks like something. It looks like something.
Yeah, I agree. Looks like something. It's something, not nothing.
That gives us a clue.
I mean, it does look like blue.
I can see the good.
Yeah, right.
I think going down the switchback's gonna be easy.
Yeah.
Then you can watch your No! Oh no! Oh, Galito? Let's get it!
Ooh.
Battery's dying.
Yeah, that's gonna happen.
You know, you should get like an external battery charger. Does it take a long time to charge?
Johnny was telling me $20 on Amazon, 2 batteries and a charger.
Oh, perfect. That's what you need.
Yep. So close. We were doing so well for so long.
What is this, the last bit?
Yeah, that. Alright, I'm gonna stop recording.
Okay.